Hey guys, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna talk about luggage on a motorcycle and how you can pack your touring motorcycle for long distance touring. And it can be just weekend escape, it can be multi-day tour, it can be months-long journey, right? So it all depends how far you go, how much stuff you need with you, and how would you probably organize your space and what is a normal or like typical setup. But also I'm gonna tell you how pro-level riders pack their bike and why. Here we're talking about paved roads, we're talking about sportier riding, and we're talking about let's say road comfort. Let's start with how most bikes are typically being equipped from the factory. The most typical package of the motorcycle, it would be the motorcycle itself, and it's already good to commute. It's good for any type of riding during the day. The first accessory which you want to buy for your motorcycle is going to be a tank bag, because it just, you know, this thing is just handy. That is number one accessory which I believe you should get when you're get your motorcycle. These bags, they normally come in different sizes, like smaller, bigger, but they always come in like few sizes, like small, medium, large. I kind of differentiate it this way, and they are available from multiple manufacturers, so you don't really need to stick with SW Motec. That thing will probably be the most useful investment or purchase for your motorcycle. Next accessory which you might want to buy, there is waterproof bag. So some people call them roll bags, some people call them duff bags, some people just say luggage bag, right, or waterproof bag. And they come in also different sizes. They come like 20 liters, 35 liters, 60 liters. So 35 is amazing size because it's enough for like short weekend escape, like 2-3 days trip. You can put there all your casual stuff, right? So like sneakers, pair of jeans, t-shirts, hoodies, maybe even some jacket, depends where you go, and some other small stuff which you need with you again for a few days away. It can be attached to any motorcycle. So the way it works, you have all these like straps, and you find the mounting point on the motorcycle. You just clip it there, and you have, let's say, one mounting point on this side, another one is here, and on that side of the motorcycle you do the same. Easy, attached to the motorcycle, go for a ride in the evening, just undo it here, take it with you to the hotel, and it's waterproof, so even if you're riding in rain, there is no problems, right? Motorcycles, especially touring ready motorcycles, they come from the factory with the panniers. And the good part about these panniers, they keep weight low down. One thing which you're gonna learn when you start traveling, when you put all your belongings into the panniers, you have something here, you might also want to attach this back here. If you don't have a top case, the bike becomes heavier, and heavy bike is no good, to be honest. More weight motorcycle has, more you need to fight it instead of enjoy it, right? So that's why in most cases, ideally, you want to keep your setup very light, and you don't want to overload your motorcycle with the luggage. Sometimes you want to ride with the passenger, right? So you already get your motorcycle, you have your side panniers, you have your top case, but then you go to up, you have someone on the back, you need more space and you need more comfort. So when you have someone here, this bag is no longer an option, right? So in this case, top case. Top case actually quite good solution, because it adds a little bit more space there. Typically it's gonna be like 50-45 liters. So let's say if you have your panniers and then you have your top box, let's say it's 30, and 50, so it's already 110 liters of kind of volume or space where you can put your luggage. The second person who is on a tour with you sits here. There is backrest as well, and you can literally lean back, take your camera, like take the pictures, look around, just basically enjoy the riding. It just makes life easier when you're on a tour together. But then you can ride by yourself, right? So let's say you need more stuff with you, you need to travel far. So in this case, our beautiful 35-liter waterproof bag, which can be mounted here. You have 3-piece lockable luggage, and then you have waterproof bag where you can pack everything what you need daily. It takes maybe a couple of minutes to take everything with you, and you can go and check in the hotel. Many manufacturers, they offer you special internal bags which are shaped exactly the same way as a pannier, and then you can pack everything there, and then you don't take pannier with you just take the bag. It's super convenient, and I would really advise everyone do so. If you have a touring motorcycle and you're traveling single, that's probably going to be the best or the most complete setup you want to have. When people come to ride with us on the tours, we always offer them all these solutions. So we basically say, you see all that, you can travel like this, or you can go lighter, or you can modify it in the way you like, depends what you have. And I kind of always observe how people pack the motorcycles, and what I noticed, people who have experience riding the motorcycles, people who've been to other places before, they already understand that big bike and heavy bike, it is a disadvantage on a tour. And they also understand that in most cases you don't really use much of your stuff during the trip. That's gonna be their setup. Tank bag and waterproof 35-liter bag. Another variant is they keep the top case and they also take waterproof bag. Even though bike sometimes comes with the panniers, they prefer to remove panniers because A, not everyone has experience riding with the panniers. B, bike becomes wider. Again, you want to keep bike as slim as possible, and the setup in general should be as simple as possible. Because when you're filtering through the town, or when you're riding serpentines, sometimes those places are busy and the roads themselves are slim. So you want to have slim motorcycle, or you just have side panniers, or you have top case in the back, or you have top case, panniers and tank bag, or you have all of that. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also let me know what you think. Like, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next one. Cheers.